Alstroemeria Indian Summer is the result of painstaking breeding by one of Europe's leading plant breeders. And what this has actually allowed you to now have in your garden is all of the benefits and attributes of commercial cut flower varieties, and that's what this variety was bred for and is still grown for. It grows to about 2 foot tall, so in your garden it's manageable, but it will give you good stem length if you want to take some as cut flowers. But when the cut flower breeders are producing new varieties, they're looking for different things. They're looking for lots and lots and lots of stems produced over a very long season. So the reason this particular variety is called Indian Summer is because this will flower long into the late summer and literally up to mid-autumn. So you've got those glowing, beautiful, bright flowers that will start being produced from midsummer and then carry on all the way through August, September, into October, even into November. And this is a trouble-free plant, so easy to grow. It will grow in anywhere from dappled shade through to a degree of sunshine, so very flexible about where you plant it. I think it's a mid-border item, so if you've got a mixed bed and border and you just really want to create some luscious, luxurious colours in there, plant this midway, sort of between the back of the border and the front, because it will sit there beautifully in that mid-range, growing to 2 foot, around about 60 centimetres tall. But actually, if you think, well, hang on, I haven't got any beds or borders, don't worry. This is brilliant in a pot. So a good sized pot, probably 15 to 18 inch diameter pot. Pop 3 of our jumbo plugs in there, get them established and get them on your patio where you can really enjoy them. You can still take some of the stems as cut flowers, but it will just illuminate and bring brightness and I think cheerfulness to any area you plant it. Hardy to -7, it's trouble-free, it's easy to grow, it's hardy, it's perennial, it will just come back and flower more and more and more every single season. So if you really want a degree of tropical luxuriousness, plant Alstroemeria Indian Summer in your garden this year.